Okay.
Alright, so if we look at the worksheet that I gave you, the next thing talks about stem and leaf plots.
Yes.
Josie, do you have your worksheet? So, did someone want to read the definition?
I will.
Go ahead.
A stem and leaf plot uses digits of data values to organize a data set. Each data value is broken into a stem, digit or digits on the left, and a leaf, digit or digits on the right.
Right. So, a stem and leaf graph is a way to display data. So, if you look below it, there's one right here. If you look on your worksheet, there's one right here. So it has the stem side and the leaf side. So, have you guys ever worked with stem and leaf plots before?
I have.
You have? What do you know about them already?
Well, I forgot it all.
So it might sound familiar once we review it. Does anyone else know anything? Alright, well, you're
I can make an educated guess.
What's your educated guess?
So, you count up, what's here, from 0 to 1 to 3, 5, 6, 8. There's a pattern.
There's
Oh, I think, well,
There is a pattern?
like you can find like the mean, median, mode, and like range and stuff, and you like your stem and leaf plot. And I'm trying to think because I remember.
get it.
I'm trying to remember all this stuff.
This is how you organize your data.
It is.
So, if, let's say you have 0 on your stem, then this is how you find your mean.
Mode.
Okay. So, you're on the right track, Griffin. If I were to tell you, I want you to write this in your notes, that the key, let's see, writing upside down. The key for this graph would be 1, then the line, 2 equals 12. Sorry, it's bad.
Well, I get it. Oh. So basically, if you take the line out, it's 12, right? So like this, without this, it would be like 12 and 13 and 14, right?
You're on it.
And this would be like 1, 3, 5, 6, and 8.
Yeah. So go ahead in your, go ahead in your notes, write the key. So the key would be that 1, then you have the line that splits up the stem and leaf equals 12. Do you have that? Jersey? You're good? Okay. So, if we look here, let's go down and look at the next section of the worksheet. So we're going to analyze this stem and leaf plot together, okay?
If you have a G and it is followed by
Can you
an
double check
IE
that? Oh, yeah,
or
it's
was
recording.
it
It's
going to
double
say?
Yeah. The thing right there.
Okay, just double checking. Alright, so the discussion questions. Let's look at those. So did everyone see what those are at the bottom of the page?
Yep.
What does the stem show? So after we talked about the key, what do the numbers on the left side of the column show?
The left side of the stem.
The left side is the stem.
Right.
So what does that show? What do they represent, those numbers? So when you're working with numbers, you have what columns? Do you guys remember the columns? So you have hundreds.
Hundreds, thousands.
Oh, those are the type of. So what do you think that the stem represents in this chart?
Ones.
You're so close.
Okay.
So this number, if we remember the key, that 1 line 2 equals 12. And if I look at this one, I'm going to see, I see 20, I see 21, I see 21 again, I see 21 again, I see 23, I see 24. Do you guys hear I read that first line?
Yeah.
So if the front one tells me the tens, that's what the stem is going to represent in this one.
Okay.
So underneath what does the stem show is tens. So if the stem side represents tens, what does the leaf side represent? So if you had to guess, an educated guess, how many numbers are in this data set?
In the
In all on this represented on the stem and leaf plot.
20, 30, 40, 50.
So you're guessing 60? What do you think?
Hold on.
Any thoughts, Jersey? How do you get 27?
I agree with Jersey. Either 27 or 22.
Why do you
But I
think
got-
maybe 22, Julia?
Because like 20 and 21, so like here and here and here and here and here. it's just, if you just count like these, it's 22, but if you add these in, it's 27.
So, Jersey, you notice that there's 27, and that's a really good guess, but it actually is 22, because when the numbers on the STEM side only represent the 10, so they're not a number on their own. Does that make sense? So then there's 22 numbers total on the data set. So go ahead and write that in your answer. So do you guys think there are more numbers in the 20s column or the 10s column?
Put together?
Or, I'm sorry, 20s or the 50s?
Put together?
Which one has more? Like these, this one, or this one? 20s. Why do you say that, Griffin?
They have more numbers.
Yep. So you guys started to notice kind of how the Assembly plot shows us different things. So how many times is the number 21 repeated?
3 times,
And how do you know that for you?
because there's 3 ones.
Mm-hmm. You got it. Alright, so go ahead and make sure you have those answers on your worksheet, so when you come back to this lesson later, you'll have these notes to refer back to. Alright, so now if you guys turn your worksheet, or turn the page on your worksheet, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make your own STEM and Leap plot, okay?
Imagine the people who do recorded were just thinking that you're animating hands.
Wait, what?
Okay. So if I have these numbers in my data set, I'm going to have 11, 12, 20, 21, 23, 30, 32, 35, 46. Okay, so to make a STEM and Leap plot, what we're going to do on this page is I'm going to make a STEM and Leap plot of my own. And as I go through, I'm going to pause every time I take a different step. And I want you guys, I want you guys to write down the steps so you have to refer back to
Can
this
I fill
later.
it out? Can you make the plot now?
Don't make it quite yet, okay? We're going to go through the steps together, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, Bria, what do you think the first step would be?
First, you have to make the line, right? Right.
Close. The very first thing is you're going to get data. So you have to make sure it's in order. So mine's in order. So first thing you guys have to do is make sure your data is in order. So go ahead, make note of that.
Right. Oh, we're not gonna, okay.
We'll make it in a second, Bria. You're on the right spot. And then Bria, I know you know the second step. What's the second step?
Wait, did I already say it?
Yep, so then we're going to draw STEM and Leap. How am I going to label the top of my STEM and Leap plot? What do you guys think?
What do you mean label?
Give it, like, it's a good question. Label, like, the words that would be above the numbers. So which side is my stem?
Stem is left,
Mm-hmm.
leaf is right.
Alright, so then that's the second step. What is my third step?
Third step is to put all the numbers in order, maybe?
Right.
Put the 10s on the STEM side.
Alright, so what tens do I have?
11.
1,
What's
you
my
have
next
1,
ten?
10, 2, and then 3 and 4.
Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go through, and my third is to finish inputting all the data. So I have 11, and I'm just going to cross it out so I can see it. 12, 22, Good job. So do you guys think that if I had you guys make your own STEM and Leaf plot with data, you'd know how to do it?
Heck
Yeah.
yes.
Awesome. Okay, let's go.
That's so positive.
This is easy.
Alright, good. I'm glad you're getting it. Alright, so now, oops, sorry, Josie, did you need that? Okay. Perfect, sorry. I should have double checked. Okay, so now, oh yeah, good, Bria. Make sure you have all the notes. And then every chart should have a what on the very top?
The stem and leaf thing.
Starts with T. What do you do with the graph? The title. So this one doesn't have any. Could be like Sarah's data points or something.
How many turds I
practice.
pooped in the last week?
Okay, you could do that. You can use this form of data or this form of representation for any sort of data.
So like for how many times have I fallen off my bike?
Mhm.
I don't know. Why don't we get dry race?
Why don't we put the dry erase markers away? That. one's Maria's. This one's Maria's. Okay. So,
Yeah.
do you think you can handle this activity and be very quiet in the library? Because we're doing an
Yes.
activity next.
Yeah.
So we'd go into that corner for the activity, but before we do, I'm going to explain it. So go ahead and turn your page. This is called like the Good Times roll because we're about to have some fun. So what I'm going to do is each of you will get 2 dice. Okay.
I know what this is.
Me too.
You roll the dice, whatever it means. I'm going to do it on the floor so it's not loud.
Can I ask a question? So are we gonna be like rolling the dice and then like the number we get, I guess, are we gonna be like putting them together in a way and then making a stem and leaf lot out of them?
Bria, you're a genius. That's exactly what we're doing. So this number right here would be 23. Or,
Mm-hmm.
63.
is it 63? I think
That's
it's.
6.
Is it?
That's a 6.
I know this is a 3.
Yeah.
Oh, 36.
Or 63 depending on which way you put it.
Exactly. So then I'm going to write all my data points in my little data box, right? Okay. You're going to do this 30 times. So you should have 30 numbers in this box, okay? And then you're going to follow the steps that we went through. And you're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range for your numbers. And then you're going to make your own stem and leaf plot with this right here.
Yes.
All right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Question. So you're gonna do that for like all 30?
Yes. So you're going to have 30 numbers total, but it's one data set. So you only have to use all the 30 to find the mean, median,
I'm
mode, and
excited.
range.
Oh, so like each of those is our number?
Yes.
Okay.
So our volume level should be, we don't need to be talking about this just because we want to be respectful of the other group working in the library. So I'll give you guys dice, but then we need to be very quiet. You might want to bring your whiteboard so it's hard to write on, okay? And if we get too loud, we'll have to leave. So let's remember to please be quiet.
I've never been kicked out of a library before. It's the first time for everything.
You've been kicked out of Miss Music.